Welcome to 5-Minute English. Today, we'll learn about Topic 60, car care, fuel and maintenance. Let's get started. Before we start, here's an interesting trivia question for you. What is the name of the famous car care product that helps to clean and shine your car's exterior? Think about it while we learn.
Great. Now let's dive into today's vocabulary words. Pay attention and practice along.
Drive. To operate a vehicle.
Example, I drive my car to work every day.
Refuel. To fill a vehicle with fuel.
Example, we need to refuel the car before the trip.
Wash. To clean something with water.
Example, I will wash the car this weekend.
Check. To examine something.
Example, please check the oil level.
Repair. To fix something that is broken.
Example, he can repair the engine easily.
Maintain. To keep something in good condition.
Example, you should maintain your car regularly.
Fill. To make something full.
Example, I will fill the tank with gas.
Start. To begin operation.
Example, he will start the car soon.
Inspect. To look closely at something.
Example, they inspect the brakes every month.
Replace. To take out and put in a new one.
Example, you need to replace the tires soon.
Car. A vehicle with 4 wheels.
Example, my car is very fast.
Fuel. Substance used to power a vehicle.
Example, we need fuel for the trip.
Oil. Liquid used in engines and machinery.
Example, the engine needs oil.
Tire. Rubber covering for a wheel.
Example, the tire is flat.
Brake. Device to slow down a vehicle.
Example, the brake is not working well.
Excellent work. Now let's see these words in action with a real conversation.
Hey, have you checked your car lately? I think it might need some maintenance.
Yeah, I need to inspect the tires and fill the fuel tank. I also want to check the oil.
Good idea. When was the last time you washed it?
It's been a while. I should wash it after I refuel.
Also, don't forget to check the brakes. They can wear out quickly.
Right! If anything's wrong, I might need to repair or replace some parts.
Just make sure to take care of it before your next drive.
Absolutely. Thanks for the reminder.
Wonderful. You're doing great. Time for some fun practice with our quick pronunciation game.
Let's play a quick game. I'll say each of the 15 words, and you repeat after me.
Drive. Refuel. Wash. Check. Repair. Maintain. Fill. Start. Inspect. Replace. Car. Fuel. Oil. Tire. Brake.
Here's the answer.
The correct answer is car wax. Car wax is the correct answer because it is a substance used to polish and protect cars. When you apply car wax to a vehicle, it creates a shiny and smooth surface. This helps to make the car look clean and new.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more 5-Minute English Fast with MD. See you next time.